Task 4, convert wave quote to draft invoice. So we go into wave, click on the button, sing the Waiting for Wave song, go to sales, estimates, wish it said quotes, find our quote that we prepared earlier to our Mr. John Smith. We go more, no we don't, we go convert to invoice. Convert this estimate to a draft invoice, convert. Waiting for wave. Now we need to go in and amend all of these details. That part of the number should always be correct, as that should be incremented up. But this part is our project number, so we need to change it. Wave only manages to increment one of those numbers, so it gets the project number on. In this case, we know from our previous step of assigning a project number that this is 000. We repeat the project number in that box too. When creating a draft invoice, which is what we're doing here, we're converting the quote to a draft invoice, we set this invoice date as a sort of estimate of when we think we might complete the job. So in this example, we scheduled the survey for the 1st. Now, it's probably sensible to put that 2 weeks later. So let's assume that we're going to invoice him around. We will change that date later on. Payment date doesn't matter, again we'll change that later on, but if you want to be consistent, add 1 month after to June the 15th. All of this stuff should be correct because it's the same stuff, it's just copied over. We now need to complete this information because we have a site address. We can just copy from there. If you just highlight that, right click, copy, right click, paste, enter the survey date, which we know is the 1st of the 5th and 17th, and we know that it's project number 000. Save and continue, and we don't click approve draft. Do not click approve draft. And that's it. End of. Click back on the dashboard to get out of that invoice, or just close the page.